The devices on the internet called routers have to talk to each other to exchange routes between each other. As you can see in this above graph, the number of routes has been increasing massively since the 1990s. Service providers are constantly upgrading their infrastructure to keep up with the demand. BGP works by running its protocol between or within an autonomous system or AS. An AS can represent a huge company or internet service provider. This page shows that the number of AS numbers is very large and growing, currently running at over 400,000. This is a very large number and means a massive routing table for the BGP routers. We can give an example of this with a really useful website called the University of Oregon Route Views Project. To visit their site, go to www.routeviews.org. On there are a list of routers you can log into, using a free application called PuTTY. Picking a CISCO router, as I like those. I am going to log in and perform some basic BGP commands. In this example, I can take the router name from the RouteViews website and copy it into PuTTY. Then via the Telnet protocol, I can connect to this router. Using Telnet and the username of our views, I can now have view access of the router. Simple commands such as show IP BGP summary shows the number of routes in the BGP routing table. There are nearly 1 million BGP network entries in this routing table, and this increases daily. This command also shows the neighboring routers it exchanges routing information with. The next command is show IP route BGP, and on a router on the internet such as this, it will have an enormous routing table. To get to another network, it will have to perform a routing table lookup to send data packets to its destination. A quick show version command and it will show you what type of router this is. It is a Cisco ASR 1004. Thanks to the G-Man channel for a simple introduction to the concept of BGP and route tables. Please like, share and subscribe. Have a fine day.